everyone, Mr. O here with another episode of Walk Me Through Tech. Now, I had a video on Daily Motions on how to update to Mavericks, but there was something wrong with it, so I had to take it down. So, anyway, this is going to be my first YouTube video about upgrading to another OS. And it's actually going to be one of my first few videos that are over an hour long, because that's how long it's going to take to upgrade. Last year, it took me about 3 hours to update to OS 10. Yeah. Hang on a minute. Yeah, so what we're going to do now is, let's see. Wait, why isn't it doing anything? Oh, yeah, I have to authenticate it with my Apple ID password. So, just a minute. And we're about ready to update. Oh, my niece is playing Minecraft on the PlayStation 3. I have the trial version. And it's updating now. Well, the update file is downloading, and whoa, holy cow. That's a lot of... Yeah, that's a big file. Oh my god. Focus. I hate this iPhone. I can't wait till While we wait for this to download, let's watch my niece kick the stuffing. Oh, sorry. Oh, I didn't get you. I was looking at the TV. Let's watch my niece play Minecraft. I can barely even see you at all. Just as well I don't want you. Oh crap, I caught you. That's alright, I'll edit it out in post. Either that or I'll just blur you out. Okay, as you can see, it's downloading now. So, you can't see because this thing. Oh man, I need to clean that lens. My shirt. Hopefully you don't see my belly in the process. I do have a big belly. Alright, this is gonna be so fun. I can't wait for this update to happen. And that's gonna take a long time. So I'll be right back as soon as it's done downloading. See ya! Alright, now that it's done with the downloading and install it, we're gonna go ahead and install Yosemite. Oh, that's my niece. Shh. Okay, now we're gonna have to agree to the terms of usage, licensing agreement. Well, of course, I have to agree in order to use it. Yes, I agree. So, now, it's going to... Yeah, we're gonna choose the, well, this is the only hard drive we have on my computer. And, yeah, Shut up. Okay. Oh, now we have to authenticate it. So, hang on a minute. Alright, now it's going to start getting things ready, and we're gonna have to, yeah, it's starting to get things ready. It's doing something. So we'll be right back. Now it's getting ready to reboot itself. All ready to start. Hang on, before I restart the computer, I'm going to go ahead and exit out of the App Store. And we're going to begin. Alright, let's restart the computer. Here we go. Applications and programs. Getting ready to restart. Here it goes. Here it goes. It's-a me, Mario. See the little... Ah, there we go. Something's gonna happen now. I didn't make that chime. Oh well. Let's see. It's getting ready to do something now. Oh. There's something on the screen here. Hold on. Wipe that off. Oh, there's no scratch. Man, I gotta find like a fiber cleaner. Okay. Alright. It's restarting and it's getting ready to do the install of map of Yosemite. It's getting ready, so I'll be right back once the restart is complete. Now we're in the process of installing OS X Yosemite. As you can see, yeah. Okay, it's getting ready to do something. It's installing it on the hard drive, and as you can see, it's gonna take about an estimated half hour, well, a little bit less, but these things usually take a long time, so I'll be back after that. Let's see, less than a minute remaining. Wow, I had a really big dinner. Yeah. Less than a minute remaining. Alright, it's done installing, and I think it's gonna do the initial setup for Yosemite. It's been about 2 minutes, and it's still the Apple insignia. It never gets old. Now it's doing a final setup. It's completing the installation. This will take about 7 minutes estimated time. It'll take about 7 minutes. Yeah. So that's gonna take a while. I'll be right back as soon as this is done. Now that the procedure is done, I gotta go ahead and sign in with my Apple ID. Alright, let me type in my password. password is typed in. Hope this works. So I didn't type it in right, did I? Wait. Oh wait, I think I did type it in right. I wasn't looking at the top of the screen. Let's open it. Let's use Find My Mac. Alright, it's doing something now. So, alright, now we have the terms and conditions. Of course, I'm gonna agree, otherwise I can't use these features. I have to agree. There we go. There we go. Now, it's doing something. It's, now we have a new feature, Cloud Drive, which should work across all your devices. Only it won't run on my iPhone because my iPhone is obsolete pretty much. I'm gonna go ahead and opt for. Sorry about the shakiness. Okay. Now, yes, I'm definitely gonna upgrade to yeah. Here we go. And now we have a message here. Do I want to upgrade to, yeah, it's basically asking me to upgrade to Cloud Drive, which means, oh, we have some incompatible software. We have 2 incompatible pieces of software that I need to get rid of. It's just letting me know that, and, alright, alright. Welcome to Mac OS X. It is setting up my Mac. It is setting up my Mac. You'll have to excuse my niece and nephew. Okay. I need to do that.
Pardon me, optimizing your Mac.
Shut up, Siri. I have read and I agreed to the terms and conditions. So now we are upgraded to Yosemite, and if we're gonna go to my screen recording program and we're gonna continue from there. Alright, now it's recording. Now we're on my screen. I'm gonna go ahead and okay, it's authenticating my iCloud. Okay. Alright, everything's all set. It's setting up my cloud drive. Now, real quick while that's doing that, if you want to look at down here is the dock. As you can see, it looks very similar to, for those of you who have used the first version of OS X. So, if you look at these icons, they look very similar to what's on system on iOS 7. I'm not sure if we have an update on the App Store, but we'll take care of that later. Okay. Now, as you can see, the apps have been updated, and I'm going to show you a little more in a future video.
Alright, now the last time I tried to record this, it was botched.
by many circumstances. So now, as I was saying before, I had to change the magnification of the dock. I had to change it to be very little. Oh, anyway, as you can see, the apps have been updated, most of them at least. QuickTime's been updated, iMovie's been updated, iTunes has been updated, and now has a red insignia. Keynote has been updated. We'll look at that in a future video. FaceTime has been updated. And as I can understand it, I think we can use screen sharing if we call people on FaceTime using messages. Though I could be wrong. And GarageBand has definitely had its icon changed. We'll definitely look at that in a future video. And way over here, we look way over here. If we look way over here, we can see the trash can icon. Now, yeah, it doesn't look much like a trash can anymore. So, yeah. Let's open a Finder window. Oops. Hold on. Sorry about that. Alright. Now, what we're going to do is... I'm going to change these icons real quick. I'm going to show you that. Show you the somewhat translucency of the window. Just a minute. Hold on. You might not... I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's definitely some... Oh, flicker. Yeah, it's flickering a bit. If you look carefully, you can actually see the flickering of the windows. You can almost see the translucency of the windows. And just as Apple promised, the overall, when you move this window around, the colors kind of change. I don't see it. Let me know if you see it in a comment section below. So anyway, there seems to be some level of translucency. Now, let's do something with the... Now, as you can see, there is some translucency. Okay. Some level of translucency. And why did I click the ScreenFlow helper? Okay, now the same thing applies to the notification center. You notice how in the last version of OS X, it pushed the, the last two versions of OS X. It actually pushed the two... Yeah, it actually pushed the screen to the left somewhat. And you're probably wondering what happened to the dashboard. It's still there, but I don't know if you can get into a space anymore. Let's add a couple of widgets just for the fun. Just for fun. Calendar app. Let's add some more. Just for a few laughs. Unit converter. Okay. Let's also add a... I don't know what else to add. Let's add some stickies. Let's move that out of the way. There we go. And while we're at it, let's add some... let's add the weather widget. All these widgets. Oh wait, let's scooch that over to the side. You know what, let's open the settings window. As I said, the well, I can't talk. As I said, the settings icon looks very similar to that of iOS 7. Man, I can't talk. Oh, there we go. Okay. Mission control. I think... do we want the dashboard as an overlay or as a space? Let's see how that looks. So we can still use the dashboard. Oops, wrong one. Oops. Okay. So, yeah. We can definitely use the dashboard in a space, but look at the background of it. It looks different. It looks pretty much like the it looks pretty much like the startup screen does now. I mean the login screen. Oh yeah, I can definitely see the translucency of these icons going through this. Yeah, going through the overlay. It's going under the overlay. You'll notice the same thing in Safari browser, which I will show you right now. Gee, I hope this doesn't get botched like it did last time I recorded. Alright. No, I do not want to use Safari as a default browser. I wish this thing would stop asking me that. Man. There's a share icon. Show all tabs. Show downloads. Okay. What we want to do here is hide the sidebar and I'm going to go to preference and change some things. Now again with the translucency of the windows. Okay. General. Okay, sorry about that. Okay. Wait, wasn't there an OK icon there? Okay. Let's try again. Let's launch Safari, see. Well, there's the load status. Well, let's try this again. Open the... Alright. Oh crap, why did I do that? Shit. Oh crap, I closed Safari again. Oops, wrong one. I'll close that. You know, this is a good opportunity for me to show you the spotlight feature, but first let's close this window. Command space. And as you can see, the yeah, there is a very similar to that of I can't talk. Very similar to that of the other things I've mentioned, like the windows and everything. There's some translucency, so Safari. Let's type in a website, and as you can see, if we click on the, yeah, okay, let's go to something like, say, YouTube. And for some reason, it doesn't use that app. I can't talk. Wait for everything to load, and here we are in my personal, no, not my personal page, my gaming channel page. Well, not really. As you can see, there is some translucency in the very top there. Let's open another tab. Let's go to, say, let's go to Google Plus. That's my personal Google Plus. Then let's open a few more windows. Like, let me think. Let's go to my, yeah. Well, you know what? Let's open, yeah. Let's get into my, Miiverse. I gotta sign in. Oh, crap. I hate when it does that. Remember me. Alright, let's enter in my... Alright, that's my Miiverse. Here we are in Miiverse. Alright. Alright. Let's open a couple more tabs. Let's go to CNET. I'm just showing you some examples. I can't talk. Let's go to CNET. Now, if we click here, we can actually... Wait, all that. If we click here, we can see a bird's eye view of all the tabs that are open. Very, very similar to that of... I can't talk. Very similar to... Damn, I can't talk. Yeah, it's very similar to what you see on iOS 7 or iOS 8. Let's open another tab. And let's see. How do we get to the... As I was saying... Oh, let's show you this. You know how there used to be the little double arrow head that makes it full screen? Well, that's been taken away, so now it's over here. If we click it, we'll get into full screen mode. To leave it, hover over, and the start menu bar, I can't talk. Top menu bar will appear, and there we go. If you want to resize it, hold the Option key, and that will resize it. Yeah, hold the Option key while clicking on this little arrow thingy here. It turns into a plus sign. Let me zoom in. Now, as I was saying, that used to be at the top right corner of the window. But if you hold down the Option key like I'm doing right now, it changes back into a plus sign, and you can resize it. Otherwise, you'll have to resize your windows manually, old school style, which really sucks. So, how do I get to the top pages? Man, this really sucks. I'm sure, yeah. Now, like I was saying, there's some continuity. Let's close all these tabs. close out of Safari for now. That's what I wanted to show you. Now let's have a look at the let's have a look at the let's have a look at iMovie real quick. Yeah. Did I mention that my computer is not the fastest machine? I mean, it's just a base model MacBook Pro. And I hope I don't have any botched recordings like I did last time. There was just too much stuff happening at the same time. I almost dropped the S-bomb. Alright. Now, as you can see, the interface is slightly different. In Mavericks, that's, yeah. I'm still working on this video, as you can see. Yeah. Now, I'll show you that in a later video. I'll show you iMovie in a later video. What I really want to show you is GarageBand interface. I wonder if the plugins I have on it still work. I hope they do. Let's do some songwriting. The interface looks a little different. Let's use an instrument. Oh no, not the dreaded beach ball of death. I hope this thing doesn't crash on me. Oh good, it didn't crash. Alright, Alright, let's see. Let's see if these, no, not library. Let's show the master control panel. Let's move this typing keyboard out of the way. Master. What the? Oh, let's forget about that for now. Let's. Okay, here we are. I don't want any master echo. Okay. Oops. Oh yeah, let's see. Man, I can't find it anywhere. This version sucks. No, I don't want this one. What I do want is... what I really want is the master control panel again. Ah, here we are. Fun. I'll show you that in a future video. And no, I do not want to save. Well, at least we know the plugin I have works. Now let's look at the dock. Or, you know what? Let me show you something real quick. Open the system preferences again. And let's change the top menu bar back into black. Alright, all we have to do is go to General, and there we go. Change the color, but notification's still dark. But I prefer it like this. So yeah. Oh, real quick. Alright, let's see. Security and privacy. Okay, here we are in the security and privacy. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna authenticate this. To unlock it, I'm gonna set it to anywhere. Okay. Yes, I'm sure. No, I didn't mean to cancel. Why is the cancel button highlighted? Yeah, allow from anywhere. And now we're going to lock this into place. Every time I upgrade to a new OS, it always resets to either anywhere or from Mac App Store only. Well, let's have a look here in the notifications center. We have a weather application. As you can, weather widget. And we have the stock widget. Oh, why would I want to be interested in stock? And events. Okay, it shows you the time. Yeah, let's add another widget. I know we can do that. No, let's not. Oh, that was a... yeah. See, how do you add more widgets to the notification menu? I'm such a noob. Oh wait, duh. Alright. Let's add message. Let's add social media. Let's add the calendar. World clock. And we got a calculator, yay. And we're done with that. Done doing that. Oh, cool. This is so awesome. Let's actually get rid of the stock widget. It's kind of a bit of a nuisance. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Yeah, we got... yeah, I don't really care for stocks. Yeah, I don't care for the stock market or anything. Let's see. Why is it doing that? Okay. Okay, I guess we do this too. Yeah, let's cancel that for now. Facebook. Facebook widget. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's Instagram. I don't know. That's Twitter. I know that for sure. And here we have the calendar. We can look at upcoming events. It shows. Oops. And a calculator app. We have a calculator app. Let's do some math a little bit. Alright, that was fun. And when we click on the weather widget, it shows a week forecast, full week forecast. Tonight, oh, actually, it actually shows for the rest of the night or the rest of the day. And here's the weekly forecast. From tomorrow on, we can expect sunshine. On Monday, though, we can expect 20% chances of rain, though I'm not even sure of that. On Tuesday, yeah. Anyway, and here we have the world clock. Let's change that. See, how do I change that? How do I change it? Let's get rid of that. Cupertino, I don't want that. Let's choose my hometown. Houston, Texas. And yeah, we're done. You can have clocks from multiple time zones all around the world depending on where you're at. That was the notification center. Each time you get a new notification, it'll appear. We'll show you more of that later on in a later video. Okay. And as always, if you don't want to use your trackpad, you can always click here to open the notification menu. As you saw, it's pretty much it's pretty much like iOS 7, more or less. Oh, let's open new. Open up a new yeah, let's open up a new window. Now, let's see. Cloud. Oh yeah, forgot we had iCloud Drive. Put that up here. Now, as you can see, we can actually access our files that we've saved onto iCloud. We'll look at some more features later on. Close that. Let's open Safari again. Go to iCloud. Oops. Let's go to iCloud.com. I gotta sign in. We have a new app in iCloud. We have Cloud Drive. Here we can store a plethora of files. Like I didn't know I had the Automator app. iMovie, Keynote, Preview, QuickTime Player, Script Editor, I don't know what that is, and Sketchbook Express. I didn't know I still had that. Alright. Well, there are a few more changes I won't be able to talk about in this video, but that's because, number one, I don't have the iPhone 6, or at least the iPhone 5. I can't talk. Number 2, I'm running out of space on my hard drive. And number 3, I really need to get this video uploaded ASAP. Well, in any case, thanks for watching Walk Me Through Tech, OS X Yosemite. I'm Mr. O saying peace, and that's a wrap. I will show you some more apps in a future video, but until then, peace.